Hey, Salome B here, and I have a strange story, and it happened on September the 4th in Raleigh, North Carolina. A man claims that he had overdosed on too much cold medicine, and he had a dream that he killed his wife. He woke up and he saw that his wife was dead. He is blaming Bayer, the makers of medication, a cold medication. Matthew called 911 and told the dispatcher, I had a dream and then I turned on the lights and she's dead on the floor, which, speaking of his wife. Phelps said he um, had blood and a knife on the bed, and I think I did it. He said I took too much cold medicine than I should have. And Bayer says that there is no link to Corisindin, which is the name of the Bayer product that Michael Phelps took, Matthew Phelps took, that suggests that Corisindin is associated with violent behavior. Matthew is charged with murder, and he's held in Durham jail with no bail. Now, Matthew was trying to pass off his murdering his wife as a taking too much of the cold medicine caused him to kill his wife. He doesn't even remember. He said he think he did it or whatever. Now this is a really strange story. I don't believe it because who forgets that they killed somebody? And how much cold medicine do you have to take before you cannot even recognize that you killed or stabbed somebody? I just don't believe this story. I'm posting the story down in the link. It happened on September the 4th. Matthew Phelps killed and stabbed his wife, and he said it was because he did not remember. He took too much cold medicine, and he woke up from what he perceived to be a dream, but it was not a dream. He really killed his wife. This is Matthew is from Raleigh, North Carolina, and he killed his wife on September the 4th. And this is a strange story, but I wanted to bring it to you so you can hear it and see how crazy and how sad this is that someone could use this type of excuse for murder, saying, hey, I took too much cold medicine. It's very strange. I've never heard of this before. I'm going to post it down in a link. Take a look at it and see how strange this thing is. I mean, today people are going bananas and people are losing their lives, and it's just really, really crazy. And this is a strange story. One of my strange stories today, it probably will be a series that I'll start, Strange Stories. This is something strange. Take a look at it. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Salome B. Have a nice day.